Let's see how to send chatbot leads to MailChimp. So you might have a chatbot on maybe on your Facebook page. So where you can actually collect the customer's email. And if you want to send those leads to the MailChimp in this example, we can do that. So likewise, you can actually send the chatbot leads from the WhatsApp chatbot, Instagram DM chatbot, from the SMS, Google Business Messages, and even if you have a web chat widget installed on your website and where you actually collect your customer's email, you can actually send those emails to the MailChimp as well without using any external software. So let's see how to do that over here. So here I have already have an example lead magnet flow to deliver the ebook. So we actually provide some sort of message about this particular lead book, and we actually ask are you ready to get it for free, and if they tap on let's go, we simply ask for their email. And here we have an email action as well, setting the email opt-in. So first of all, if you want to send this particular email where they actually provide in this particular step to the MailChimp right here, first of all you have to go to the settings over here. So let me show that. So go to the settings to make sure your MailChimp account is connected. So here MailChimp, and we already connected our account, so otherwise you just need to simply click on connect and connect your MailChimp account right here. And as you see here, we don't have any contacts as well. So once you have connected your MailChimp account here, go back to the flows over here, and here this is the flow as I mentioned. And as soon as you collect their email, so here you can actually create a new action, or you can simply use the action block as well. So here you can create a new action as well, actions, and here go to the email and see here email, click on add to MailChimp, add contact to MailChimp, click on it, and here you can simply choose whatever the actions you want to have. So here MailChimp list, choose chatting media. So here MailChimp list chatting media, and the email field is email, and if you want to send other details you can do that as well. So here we are not collecting their address, email or phone number, so I can simply keep as empty. And if you want, you can actually add the tag as well. So if you create these particular tags in the MailChimp right here, then those tags will automatically show up here. So for example, we already have this particular Instagram lead tag in the MailChimp, that's why it show up here. And here you can set other settings and click save. That's it. So here after we collect their email, so after we actually collect their email, we want to set this action as well. So as you see here, we already set this action as well. So now let me click publish over here, and we can actually set a keyword for this particular flow as well. So let's quickly do that. So you can actually ask customers to comment a specific keyword. Otherwise here in this case we want to actually ask customers to DM a specific keyword. So let's simply say MailChimp just for the testing purposes. So if someone says MailChimp, just for an example, we want to trigger this particular flow which is called as MailChimp chatbot leads to MailChimp. So let's test that actually automated response is actually set up as you see here MailChimp, and we simply trigger this particular chatbot flow right here. So this can actually works on all the connected channels over here, but here I am going to show the demo on the Instagram channel itself. So let me show the Instagram, and let me send a quick message right here MailChimp. So we actually set up the automated responses over here. So whenever a particular customer send this sort of automated response or this particular keyword to your Instagram DM, then the chatbot will be triggered. Hello there, we are thrilled you are interested in expanding your marketing knowledge, this sort of ebook. So let's see, are you ready to get it? So let's go. So let me click on let's go, and it simply asks me for the email. So let me provide the email over here. So let me provide this email right here and see what happens. It should simply send us the confirmation messages as you see in this particular flows right here, and also provide an option to access the ebook right here as well. But we want to check if this particular contact is added to the MailChimp or not. So let me go to the MailChimp over here and let me refresh. So I'm just refreshing the MailChimp over here, and here I am in the all contacts tab as well. So here I have just refreshed MailChimp, and as you see here, the email address which I shared in the chat is already in the MailChimp, and also the tag Instagram lead is already added, because in this particular action I already added that particular Instagram lead tag as well. So that's why it simply added that one as well. So if I show it to you again, here Instagram lead tag is added, and if you want you can actually add other details as well. So suppose if you want to add their phone number as well, you can simply do that. So if you want to do that, let me show that as well. So after we ask for their email, we can simply ask for their phone number as well. So let me add a simple change in the flow. So here let me use get user data, and here what is the phone number. So let's do this, and here we want to save the phone number in the phone number field as well. So here make sure you save in the phone number field, and that's it. So here when the contact action, we want to add that phone number action as well. So here in the phone number you have to choose the phone right here. That's it. So let me click publish right here. This is now published. We can quickly test this one as well. So, and here I want to provide a different email address and see what happens. So it simply start the flow from the beginning. So it should send us some sort of image, and let's go. So here I want to provide chat@chatikmedia.com. So I'm actually providing a different email address compared with the previous one, and let me provide a phone number 25673. So here I have provided a new email address and also the phone number as well. So now let's see if we can find this particular contact in this particular chat as well. So here we should with that particular email address we should see their phone number as well, because I shared the phone number as well. So here a new contact chat@chatikmedia is here, and also the phone number is added as well. The reason first name is same because I'm actually using the same Instagram account over here, so that's why the first name is same, but as you see here the phone number is already added as well. So that's how you can actually easily send the chatbot leads from any channel. So in this example I showed only the Instagram, but this actually works for the Messenger, WhatsApp, or even from the website as well to the MailChimp, and also to any sort of email marketing over there. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.